Every element in the periodic table has a specific number of protons in its nucleus. You can determine the number of protons an element has in its nucleus by looking at the atomic number of the element. For example, every carbon atom has 6 protons in its nucleus. Every potassium atom has 19 protons in its nucleus. Remember, the atomic number tells you how many protons there are in the nucleus of an atom. Let's take a look at a few more examples. Sodium has 11 protons in its nucleus. Magnesium has 12 protons, and calcium has 20 protons. Every atom for a specific element has the same number of protons in its nucleus. However, the number of neutrons in the nucleus of an atom can vary. Atoms with the same number of protons but different number of neutrons are called isotopes. For example, there are 3 isotopes of carbon. Notice each isotope of carbon has 6 protons, but the number of neutrons in the nucleus of each isotope is different. Remember, each isotope of an element has a different but specific number of neutrons in the nucleus. For instance, the first isotope of carbon has 6 neutrons in its nucleus. Note that all carbon atoms will have 6 protons in the nucleus. The second isotope of carbon has 7 neutrons in its nucleus. And finally, the third isotope of carbon has 8 neutrons in its nucleus. Remember, isotopes of an element have the same number of protons in the nucleus, but the number of neutrons in the nucleus will be different.